Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, higher highs and higher lows on the day. From a trend building perspective, this is the exact type of action that you want to see. And also a whole lot of updates need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and actually get rid of that line right there. Sure, these areas still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed below, they tend to act as support. So going into the day, that $41 mark was an area of resistance, but now that the price is up above it, that is what I would call, the ideal level of support. Meaning, if I ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 41, that would be a fantastic sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below that area, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a fantastic sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at everything from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall price movement, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 41 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch moving forward, going to be right up there at that $45 mark. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching that area, and rightfully so, very important technical area. So we'll see if the price can work its way back up there and get the breakthrough or not. But all in all, the uptrend continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.